2.5, 3 feet of line. Then get your coast lock swivel, tie it on the bottom. I'm just gonna use a improved clinch knot. So you go through the eye, double it back on itself. You make a little loop like that. Then with this heavy mono line, you don't got to do a bunch of loops through it, but you're gonna go back behind it and then up, back through the loop 4 times. Pull that knot tight and clinch it down onto the swivel like that. Clip your tag line. Then you're gonna get your hooks. You're gonna get out 2 of those. And then this knot that I'm about to tell you is called, some people call it an overhand knot, some people call it a surgeon's knot. But this is a super useful fishing knot. You can use it for a lot of different stuff. All right, you're gonna thread it through that other side, not the side that has the swivel on it. Pull it down to where it's about 10 inches off